Hello everyone, welcome to the new video on the topic Algo trading. Today I am going to show you how to implement a strategy in Nifty 50 stocks to place orders automatically when RSI crosses below 30 and is moving upward. This is the demo of Algo we are going to create. 2000 is the capital I use for every orders and 100 is the risk per order. Maximum order is 2. Okay, starting the strategy. Scanning the stocks one by one. This is the RSI value of every stocks. One order is placed on TCS. Okay, one more order is placed on M&M. Now strategy is stopped because our limit is only 2. Next, let us see how to create this algo easily. First, go to this link given in description. Copy the code and paste in a notepad. Save it in a .py format. This is the code where we mention the condition. Here the strategy is set to check the RSI value of 30. This close 0 indicates close of last candle and -1 indicates the close of previous candle. This condition checks if RSI crosses below 30 and close of the last candle is higher than close of previous candle, and place the order. If you wish, you can change this value. This is the place where we mention the list of stocks in which we implement this strategy. I already have list of Nifty 50 stocks in my list, so I just copy this into my program. Okay, I replaced the value of Nifty 50 stocks. Next, we need to add API key in our core. So go to the link kite.trade, click login. Next, click the app we have created. Copy the API key and paste into the API key field. Copy the API secret and paste into the API secret field. Let us run the code by double-clicking the file. We need request token in order to connect to ZERODHA. So type the URL as shown. Here we add our API key at the end and press enter. This is redirected to the URL with the request token. Copy the code comes after request token and paste into the field and submit. Username is displayed, so connection is success. Let's open ZERODHA Kite. Set the capital for each order, stop loss, and finally limit. Okay, let's start the strategy. Here we can see the RSI values of each stocks at the second column. Okay, first order is placed. One more order is placed on M&M. Strategy is stopped because our limit is only 2 and 2 orders are already placed. Let us check each one in chart. First, TCS. TCS is in oversold region and last candle is in green. M&M also in oversold region and gives bullish signal. Next, let us change the strategy to place order when RSI crosses above 70. First, change less than symbol to greater than and close of last candle to lower than previous candle. Okay, run the code. There is no stocks that are above 70 RSI. Okay friends, the video is over now. If you need more videos like this, please let me know in comments. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.